This is it, BITSAT 2025, the last exam standing between you and the college of your dreams. You fumbled J Advance, the CS dream feels out of reach. But now, BITSAT is your final shot. And it's not just another match. This is your IPL final. You're down to the last over and you're RCB. You've never won the trophy before, but the crowd's still cheering, the lights are still on, and anything can happen in the final over. Hi, I'm Somrat Dutta. I have been exactly where you are. Same J disappointment, same panic, same what's the point now feeling. But I played my final over smart and I made it count. I got into BITS Pilani CSE Engineering with a placement package higher than that of IT Bombay Science Engineering average. All because of my last minute game plan I made just weeks before the exam. And now I'm sharing it with you. This week is not war, it's an IPL final. Each day is an over, each mistake is a dropped catch, and every mark you score, it's a boundary on the board. You're chasing 300 plus, that's your target. And you got 7 overs left. Let's play. Day 1. Match preview and player strategy. No team walks into a final without reviewing their weaknesses. Your first step, take a full mock test. This tells you where you leak runs, which is lose marks, where you play naturally strong, and what shots not to attempt again, which are like waste of time. Once done, break down those scorecard into conceptual errors, silly mistakes, time management, guesswork fails. Make an error log. Keep updating it daily. This becomes your playbook. Now, mark your power play topics. The high weightage ones you must master. Now, these are some of the high impact topics from the previous years. Maths, circles, vectors, and the rest. Physics, thermodynamics, magnetism, and the rest. Chemistry, chemical bonding, biomolecules, and the rest. English and logical reasoning, 90 marks of easy momentum. Don't ignore this. This is your free hit over. Now, there's a quick tip. Use this as a guideline, not gospel. If you're strong in other areas, trust your instinct. Play your natural game. Let's talk about day 2 to 5, which are middle overs grind. This is where matches are won or lost. Each day, follow this 3-part strategy. Morning session, 3 to 4 hours power training. Work on your weakest areas in physics and math. Use my retrograde learning method. Write 10 questions, spot gaps, learn theory only where you fail. No time for full chapters now. You're training, not studying. Apply Pomodoro sprints. 25 minutes of study followed by 5-minute break. Do 4 to 5 rounds per day. Afternoon sessions, 2 hours. Build momentum. Focus on chemistry, English and logical reasoning. Chemistry from NCERT best. English and logic reasoning, 20 to 30 questions daily. Revise vocabulary plus grammar rules for 20 minutes. These are your easy singles. Rack them up fast. Evening, maths simulation. Alternate days, you should try full mocks. On other days, 2 subject-wise tests, physics, maths, chemistry. Every time review, what slowed you? Where did you misfire? Did nerves get you? This is how you adjust your bowling lineup, fielding and batting order. Bonus night habit, flashcard finishes. Before sleeping, prepare 20 to 30 flashcards. Top 10 errors of the day. This boosts recalls and solidifies strategy under pressure. Time for strategic timeout. Now, let's be honest. No matter how good a player is, they can't win an IPL final alone. Virat might smash sixes, but someone still needs to set the field, plan the innings, and tell him when to take the signal and rotate strike. That's what Foru Club is for you. They are not just another coaching platform. They're your support crew, your analyst, your strategy board in the dressing room. And unlike generic online classes, they are built by BITSAT. People who have run this exact race, who have sat in the same exam halls, who have started at the same screen wondering, should I guess this or skip? This isn't theory, it's experience. Passed down from those who made it to BITS and now help others do the same. That's why I teamed up with them. Because I know what the last week feels like. The pressure, the confusion, the spiral of overthinking. And I also know what good mentorship can do in the exact moment. This year, the Foru Club team has launched their most refined product yet, the ultimate BITSAT 2025 crash course. Think of it as your final over power play, designed to maximize impact without wasting a single second. Here's exactly what you get. 1 to 1.5 hours videos for physics, chemistry, maths, English and logical reasoning, taught by experienced educators who focus only on what's relevant for BITSAT. No fluff. Every video includes both theory and problem solving to give you real exam level exposure. After each lecture, solve chapter-wise tests designed specifically for BITSAT. 20 full BITSAT level mock tests designed to replicate the real paper. Unlimited attempts, detailed performance analysis and error breakdown after every test, along with live doubt solving and mentorship. And the wildest part, if you score 300 plus, they refund your entire course fee because they genuinely don't care about your money. They care about your finish line at BITS Pilani. I've seen their people's work. I've seen how much effort they put into every mock, every lecture, every student. If you want someone in your corner for the final match, I would bet on Foru Club. Use code target 300 for a 10% off. The link is in the description. It's time to power up. Day 6, the recovery over. Now here's what no one tells you. Even the best teams don't go all out till the last ball. There's always a strategic slowdown, a breather, a pause to pray for the final slot. Day 6 is the pause. You will still do a mock test, but just 90 minutes of it. Then stop. Don't push through fatigue. Don't pretend to be a machine. The second half of the day, use it for deep recovery. Stretch, hydrate, walk around. Put your phone on forest app. Let a tree grow while you disconnect. You've trained like a player this whole week. Now that's like one. Day 7, the final over. This is it. One day before your BITSAT. Think of this as the last over of an IPL match. You're at 280. You need 20 more runs. You can see the trophy, but you can't focus now. now. Here's your exact match day preparation plan. 9 a.m. full length mock test under real exam timings. No pauses, no distractions, no mercy. 12:30 p.m. review time. Analyze mistakes, spacing, skip questions. No judgment, just insight. 2 p.m. light launch plus 20-minute nap. Recharge. You've earned it. 3 p.m. final revision. Flashcards plus error logs. Nothing new now. Only consolidation. Go over the vocabulary, the weak formulas, conceptual traps you have logged on. 5 p.m. take a break. Take a walk, clear your head. No scrolling, no YouTube, no just one reel. 9 p.m. shut down. No more prep, pack your bag, keep your admit card and ID ready, and then just breathe. You've already won by showing up with clarity. Now, this isn't about being perfect anymore. It's about personal redemption. In just 7 days, you can go from panic to precision, from regret to recovery, from fear to a failure at BITS Pilani Computer Science Engineering. And once you're in, trust me, everything changes. So visualize your scoreboard, see the crowd, hear your heartbeat, and step onto the pitch. Because this time, you finish with grade, not guesses. And when the score crosses 300, it just won't be a number. It will be your champion moment.